Welcome, or just like you would say in Germany, willkommen. I'm glad you found your way to this course. Here we are going to learn how to introduce oneself in German, how to have conversations in German, and how to have a great German pronunciation, and much more. Let's start with a quick introduction. My name is Taya, and I live in Austria, which is one of the 6 countries where the German language is one of the official language of the country. Those countries are Germany, of course, Austria, this is where I am, Belgium, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, and Luxembourg. So, shall we start? The most important thing when learning any language is to know how to pronounce the letters. That's why we are going to start with the alphabet, or das Alphabet. Let's start with the basic letters, such as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J is not pronounced as J, like the English one, but like I. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. One thing you have to keep in mind with the letter Q is that this letter never comes alone. There is always a U following. R, S, T, U. And this is the letter that usually comes after Q. V, the sound this letter makes is F. V, X, Y. The letter Y and the letter J are pretty similar when it comes to the sound they make. Z. Before we continue, let's try to pronounce those words together, just to make sure we've got everything right. Apfel. Apfel. It means apple. Dose. Dose. Can. Vogel. Vogel means bird. Jacke. Jacke is jacket. And this is where you can see that the letter J is pronounced as Y. Jacke. When you see a C and K together, they are pronounced as K. Jacke. The next word is Wolke. Wolke. Cloud. Uhr. Uhr means clock, and the H in this case is silent. Uhr. And finally, yoga, just like the English version of the word. Yoga. Now we are finished with the basic letters. I want to talk more about the letters that make the German language more special. Those letters are called Umlaut. The first one is A umlaut. It's the same shape as the letter A, but with 2 points above. The sound it makes is A. A. It's like an A, but softer, much softer. A. Those are some words that use this letter. März. März. Männer. Männer means men. Häuser. Häuser means houses. As you can hear, when the letter A umlaut comes before the letter U, together they are pronounced Oi. Häuser. The second letter is O umlaut, a normal O with 2 points above. The sound it makes is Ö. Ö. Start with an O and then try to make your lips a bit closer to each other. Ö. Ö. Öl. Öl means oil. Löwe. Löwe means lion. And öffnen. Öffnen means open. The last letter of the umlauts is U umlaut. This letter is pronounced Ü. To get the sound, start with a normal U and then make your lips even closer to each other. Ü. Ü. Try to pronounce those words with me. Tür. Tür means door. Müll. Müll means trash. And finally, fünf. Fünf means 5. Ü. So altogether we have E, Ö, Ü. Together, E, Ö, Ü. The last letter we have that makes the German language really special is the letter SZ, which could be also described as 2 S's together. SZ. The sound it makes is just S. But you have to be careful, because you might think that some words are written with S, but actually they are written with SZ, even though the pronunciation is completely similar. For example, weiß. Weiß means white. Fußball. Fußball means football. And heiß. Heiß means hot when you are talking, for example, about the weather. When you see the letter E and I together, for example, in the last word, heiß, the sound they make together is I. Heiß. Moving on to some letters that are not specifically special, but they are also important when you want to read in German. The first letter is the letter Sch. Because the German language doesn't have one letter that has the sound Sch, they have to combine 3 letters together, just like the English. But instead of combining S and H, the Germans put a C in the middle. So you have S, C, H. Together they make Sch. For example, schwimmen. Schwimmen means to swim. Schauen. Schauen means to watch. Schön. Schön means beautiful. Do you hear the O umlaut in the middle? The next letter is sp. When you see an S before a P, you have to automatically pronounce the S as sh, even if there is no C or H. The S is pronounced as sh as long as there is a P after it. For example, Spiegel. Spiegel means mirror. Spinne. Spinne means spider. Sport. Sport means sport. The same exact thing goes when you see a T after an S. Together they are st. For example, Straße. Straße means street. Or Stern. Stern, which means star. And also like Stift. Stift, which means pen. The last letter is H. In the German language, when you see a C and a H, together they are H. It's not a strong H, but more like a softer one. H. For example, Milch. Milch means milk. Schlecht. Schlecht means bad. And finally, ich. Ich means I. Let's go through the letters one more time together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. E, Ö, Ü, SZ. Sch, Sp, St, Ch. Well done. Gratuliere. Congratulations. You have reached the end of our first lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, bye bye.